Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work permits. And a question that pops up, people kind of ask me this almost, casually on the street, if you will, or I'll be somewhere out with friends or something, and people will just kind of pose this question to me, and they say, well, do I really need a work permit if I'm working online? In the sort of digital age we're in, there's people that really do most of their work online. They either work remotely for a company or an organization, for example, in the United States or the UK, in Europe, anywhere, and they're working online and they can do it any place. Meanwhile, there are other folks that have they're like online entrepreneurs. They have their own companies. They may run a website. They may have some sort of business online. And what the question that's often asked is, do I need a work permit? If I'm here in Thailand doing this, I'm sort of working remotely. And the thinking seems to be, or the paradigm, if you will, is sort of, well, I'm not really working in Thailand. It's a tough question. It comes down to kind of the semantics or a more pedantic approach to what is work. I think ultimately the safest answer is yes. Any type of work activity, Ministry of Labor and the labor regulations are pretty clear on, you need to go ahead and have a work permit. Now, I understand people watching this video will say, well, how are they going to catch me? Yes, I understand the enforcement capability may not be there. But that being stated, if one is found to have some other issue with immigration, and it's also found that those individuals are also working in Thailand without proper authorization, that can compound an already big enough problem sometimes. And also, it should be noted that immigration is getting better, and Labor Department is getting better, and they're more coordinated. Whereas once it was kind of easy to fly under the radar, more and more it's not. And people are becoming, I should say, the enforcement apparatus is becoming much more sophisticated. So the thing to take away from this video, yes, strictly speaking, if one is working in Thailand, they need a work permit. And if that individual or individuals is found to be working illegally, that could result in them being fined and possibly deported and possibly blacklisted from returning to Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.